right, friends, I am here at the Nature Center at Metro Beach. You guys will definitely recognize this place. We have gone inside a couple of times and looked at all of the awesome things they have to offer inside, but if you notice, there is a sign that says closed, so we cannot go inside this time. But we'll go through the Nature Center and find all of our things on our scavenger hunt. And in fact, I think one of them, let's see, is a tree. And I see a tree already before we even go in. So I'm gonna mark that one off. All right, I am entering. And I see something else already that is on our scavenger hunt. Who can tell me what this is called? What's this green stuff on the ground? Now we can mark off, oops, grass. All right, friends, I am going into the Nature Center. And I just saw a bird, but I think that it already flew away. Look, it says no bikes. That's why I left my bike out there. I rode my bike so I didn't have to pay $10 to get in. Oh wow, look at how high the water is. Oh my gosh, it's never been like this when we've been here. Look at all that green stuff back there, that's all water. Look, it's never been that high. Wow. All right, I am going to mark off water. So already we found water, a tree, and grass. Let's look here. I see some green leaves here. We can mark off green leaf. Wow, I cannot believe how tall that water is. Oh my gosh, if we came here as a class, we wouldn't know what was water and what was land. Oh, gotta remember that. It's a little bit yucky and muddy here. I'm glad I put on my tennis shoes instead of my flip-flops. All right, let's see what else we're looking for. We're looking for a flower, a spider web, sand or dirt. Here's some dirt right here that I'm walking on. So I'm gonna mark off sand or dirt, a bug, a brown leaf, a butterfly, oh, tree bark. I see tree bark right here. Tree, the bark on the tree. Ah! Fish fly just landed on me. All right, so I can mark off tree bark. All right, let's see what else we can find. All right, guys, look at all these leaves on the ground. I know we already found a green leaf, but now we can also mark off brown leaf. Flower, a spider web, a bug, butterfly, and oh, clouds. You see the clouds up in the sky? If you listen real carefully, you can hear all that nature. There's birds. I hear different kinds of birds and bugs. Oh, there's a bird. We missed it. There's all sorts of bugs. Let's see if I can get one so we can mark it off on our scavenger hunt. Oh, we have a friend. Let's see. All right. See if we can see that dragonfly. That's a bug. Oh, he's fast. See that dragonfly right there? I can mark off bug. There's bugs everywhere, really. All right, so we saw a bug. Oh, rocks. Let's find some rocks. See what we can find. Oh, there's another dragonfly. I know there's rocks everywhere. Oh, a bird. Oh, we never marked off cloud. It's actually a beautiful day. Not many clouds out. And you can't really see a lot of clouds because there's so many trees, which makes this so awesome in here. There's some clouds up there, so I'll mark off cloud. Let's see if we can find an ant on the ground. I don't see any. Oh, here's some rocks. I found some rocks. There's a whole bunch of rocks on the ground now. All right, we can mark off rock. Or rocks. All right, let's see. What do we have left? We found all sorts of stuff so far. We still have to find a flower, a spider web, a butterfly, an ant, and a bird. Let's see. It's very peaceful here. Not very many people. There's a bird. There's a whole bunch of birds up there. When we go back, we're going to see if we can find more birds. Usually they have that spot where all the birds hang out. Oh, I hear a frog. There should be frog on this list. See if we can see a frog. Oh, I hear them all over the place. Ooh, that's really wet. Let's see. See what we can find. All right, guys, this wasn't on our list, but there's a little family of ducks over there. Look at, they're cleaning themselves. Little family of ducks. How cute. You guys hear all those frogs? There's a bird. There's a bird. Bye, ducks. See you next time. Oh, I hear something crawling over there. What is it? It makes me nervous. It's gonna jump out at me. All right, let's go on the bridge. I know a lot of my friends will recognize this. Let's go on the bridge across the water. If this bridge wasn't here, I wouldn't be able to go across here. I'd have to walk through the water, wouldn't I? I see lots of bugs. I see lots of water and green leaves. Whoa. What was that? There's more people over there. Lots of nature here, guys. All right, I'm gonna walk across the bridge and see what else I can find on our scavenger hunt. All right, friends, I found one of our things on our list. I found a flower. A white and yellow flower. So let's mark that off on our scavenger hunt. Okay. So we saw birds, but I'm going to wait to mark that off till we get back. So we need to find a butterfly, an ant, and a spider web. Oh, there's some flowers too. Probably weeds, but they're colorful. Alright guys, I am just walking right now. I haven't found the last things yet on our list. I am still looking for an ant, a spider web, oh, and a butterfly. They should have put dragonfly because there's a million of those. But I haven't seen any butterflies, which surprises me. And what surprises me even more is I can't find an ant. That's so weird. I found an ant. It's probably hard to see where to go. Oh, it went in the crack. There it is. There's an ant. One lonely ant. How bizarre. It's in the crack right now. If I find a better one, I'll show you. Oh my gosh, you guys, I wish I would have had my camera on. I almost just stepped on a frog. Where did it go? Scared the living daylights out of me. I literally almost stepped right on him. Oh, he's way over there now. Oh my goodness. He jumped out right in front of me. I can't believe it. I almost fell. That's how much I almost tripped on him. That's how much I almost stepped on him. I almost fell. Oh, there's lots of rocks. Darn it. It was a frog right under my feet. Maybe we'll see another one. Alright, I'm officially marking off bird. Look at all those birds. And guess what? When they come out of that tree, so do the fish flies. It's pretty gross. Oh, they're everywhere. I think most of you know by now that I really don't like fish flies. They gross me out. Okay, this isn't the prettiest spider web, but I found a spider web. I don't know if you can see it. It's kind of glistening. There's some spider webs around this garbage can. Let's see where else we can find a spider web. Oh, right up there. You see it? There's a spider web right up there. I'm going to mark off spider web. Alright, so the only thing we did not find on our walk was a butterfly. I've been keeping my eyes. Oh, there's one! There's one. Oh, it's far. But I see it. Let's see if I can get in there. Oh no. Where'd it go? Oh. Let's see if I can find it. Nope, that's a dragonfly. Dragonfly. I don't want to fall in the water. Where did that butterfly go? I saw one. It was like a brownish reddish color. Darn, where did it go? See all sorts of dragonflies. Okay, it's gone, but I'm gonna keep my eyes peeled, see if I can find another butterfly, and then we can officially mark it off of our scavenger hunt. Darn it. And then we'll be all done. Alright guys, I am coming to the end of the nature trail, so I'm going to go over here. This is where we always take our break and have some water. Normally there's people working here, but they're closed because everything's pretty much closed right now. I did not see another butterfly, but I did see that one. So I'm going to mark it off. All right, so we found a flower, we found some water, lots of trees. We found a couple of not so good spider webs, but they'll count. We found lots of sand and dirt, lots and lots of bugs. We found a brown leaf. I saw a butterfly in that tree. Lots of rocks, lots of green leaves, lots of grass and birds. We saw some clouds up in the sky, an ant, and tree bark. So, I'm going to sit here and drink some water, and then I'm going to ride my bike back to my house. I am so glad that you guys came along with me on this field trip. I wish we could have been together. That would have been way better. But hopefully maybe you can print out the scavenger hunt and go for a scavenger hunt on a nature trail by your house. Maybe the one by your house is this one, the Metro Beach one. I hope you all have a great rest of your day and a great weekend. And I am so proud of you for watching this video and getting your work done. I miss you tons, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye.